की शरण में आजा, शिव की शरण में आजा, भोले की शरण में एक बार आजा आजा, शिव की शरण में एक बार आजा आजा, शिव की शरण में। शिव की शरण में आजा, शिव की शरण में आजा, भोले की शरण में एक बार आजा आजा, शिव की शरण में एक बार आजा आजा, शिव की शरण में। ओ चंद्रमौल चंद्रशेखर भोले त्रिपुरारी है, गल मुंड माल राखे कर त्रिशूल धारी है। ओ चंद्रमौल चंद्रशेखर भोले त्रिपुरारी है, गले मुंड माल राखे कर त्रिशूल धारी है। नंदी पे सवार ऐसे, नंदी पे सवार ऐसे, शिव की शरण में एक बार आजा आजा, शिव की शरण में एक बार आजा आजा, शिव की शरण में। संत और फकीर सब है शिव की शरण में, गरीब और अमीर सब है शिव की शरण में। ओ संत और फकीर सब है शिव की शरण में, गरीब और अमीर सब है शिव की शरण में। शिव जी सबको मिलते हैं, हो शिव जी सबको मिलते हैं, ज्ञान और धर्म में एक बार आजा आजा, शिव की शरण में एक बार आजा आजा, शिव की शरण। हो शिव की शरण में आजा, शिव की शरण में आजा, भोले की शरण में एक बार आजा आजा, शिव 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 की शरण में।
Hello, namaste and very good morning to everyone.
We warmly welcome you all to our K1R's morning assembly.
Today is Saturday, 6th March 2021.
અને ગુજરાતી કેલેન્ડર પ્રમાણે આજે વદ આઠમ છે.
Let's join our hands and close our eyes for the morning prayers.
सवीर्यं कर्वावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः।
Wow, it was wonderful.
Arush, have you ever been to any garden?
Yes, I have visited many gardens. some more information about flowers. A flower is usually the most colorful part of the plant. They are also called bloom or blossom of a plant. Flowers have petals, and different flowers have different colors, shape, and size of these petals.
Plants get their food from sunlight, water, and minerals. They grow in different parts of the world depending upon its climate and soil.
That was very informative.
Flowers are very beautiful and we can grow them in a garden.
With this, let's invite our friends to recite few lines on flowers.
Flowers, flowers everywhere, in the garden, in my hair, in the vase and at the store, on the table and on the door. I plant a little seed in the cold, cold ground. Out come the yellow sun, big and brown. Down come the raindrop, soft and slow. Up come the flower, grow, grow, grow.
Wow, it was so good. Now let's listen to our friends who are going to share with us some information about different kinds of flowers.
Roses come in different colors like red, pink, white and yellow. They are the most beautiful and popular flower in the world. They smell too good. They stand for love and beauty.
Sunflower is the most common garden flower. It is yellow in color and they always face the sun. Sunflower oil extracted from the seeds is used for cooking. It stands for loyalty.
Lotus is national flower of India. It grows and flowers on water. It is generally pink and white in color. It symbolizes purity and grace. Daisies are generally very soft. They have white petals circled around bright yellow center. Some daisy flowers are very colorful too. It symbolizes innocence and simplicity. It's hurting me. I don't know why everyone plucks me from the plant and throw me away. I feel bad when someone does this to me.
Please, Abhi, don't pluck the flowers. They are useful to us in many different ways. Let's get to know its uses from Via and Netri.
Honey is flower nectar which is very healthy and used for cooking as well. Flowers are natural air fresheners. They are used for its aroma and scent to make perfume. They also nourish stress and make us happy. Most common use of flower is for paying and offering to God. They are also used many for decorations purpose in some gardens, festivals and functions. Many flowers have medicinal properties. They can be used also to drink.
didn't know flower help us in so many different ways.
Now I'm happy. You know why? Because I like when people use me for the right purpose and appropriately.
Flowers actually make our world very bright and beautiful. Without flowers, our world will be dull or lifeless. And now let us all rise for the national anthem. Assembly, Saudhan!
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मागे गाहे तव जय गाथा जनगण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
Assembly Vishram. I would like to invite Ami ma'am to share with us the point to Socho.
White, pink and blue, good to smell and look at too. Lilies and roses all in a row, don't pluck them, just let them grow. Flowers are the most beautiful creation of God. They are bright and colorful. They are very attractive and make this world a wonderful place to live in. Flowers, as we have seen, can be used in many different ways. So, should we pluck and use them? Or should we keep them on the plants to enhance the natural beauty of our world? Socho, Socho.
Wow, look at all the flowers! There are so many pretty colors. Sing a song of flowers, flowers all around. Flowers that are growing, growing in the ground. Flowers of every color, they look so pretty too. Red and pink, orange and yellow, blue and purple too. Red, pink, orange, yellow, blue, and purple too. Sing a song of flowers, flowers all around. Flowers that are growing, growing in the ground. Flowers of every color, they look so pretty too.
Hope you enjoyed it and thank you. Thank you for watching our morning assembly.
एक डाल दो पंछी रे बैठा, कौन गुरु कौन चेला। ओ
एक डाल दो पंछी रे बैठा, कौन गुरु कौन चेला।
अरे गुरु की करनी गुरु भरेगा,
गुरु की करनी गुरु भरेगा।
अरे चेला की करनी चेला रे साधो भाई उड़ जा हंस अकेला। ओ
एक डाल दो पंछी रे बैठा, कौन गुरु कौन चेला।
अरे माटी चुन चुन महल बनाया, लोग कहे घर मेरा। ओ
माटी चुन चुन महल बनाया, लोग कहे घर मेरा।
अरे ना घर तेरा ना घर मेरा,
ना घर तेरा ना घर मेरा।
चिड़िया रेल बसेरा रे सद भाई उड़ जा हंस अकेला। ओ
एक डाल को पंछी रे बैठा, कौन गुरु कौन चेला।
अरे मात कहे ये पुत्र हमारा, बहन कहे ये वीरा। ओ
मात कहे ये पुत्र हमारा, बहन कहे ये वीरा।
अरे भाई कहे ये भुजा हमारी,
भाई कहे ये भुजा हमारी।
अरे नारी कहे नर मेरा रे सद भाई उड़ जा हंस अकेला। ओ